Welcome to this pelvic floor release hypnosis meditation. Close your eyes and begin to settle into a comfortable position, either lying down or seated, with your spine supported and your body free to let go. Take a gentle breath in through your nose, and then exhale softly through your mouth. As you breathe, begin to feel the ground and the support beneath you. Feel the pull of gravity, the way your body is supported without any effort from you. There is nothing you need to hold up right now. This is your time to let go, to soften, to listen, and to come home to your body. With each breath, feel yourself dropping a little deeper into stillness, as if your whole being is exhaling. And as you breathe out, feel your shoulders relaxing, your jaw unclenching, and your belly beginning to soften ever so slightly. There is no right or wrong here. We are simply inviting your system into a state of safety, one breath at a time. Now, in your mind's eye, start to picture a gentle staircase appearing before you. It leads down into a space of deep rest and healing, a place your nervous system knows well, even if it hasn't been here in a long time. With each step down, allow yourself to feel more settled, more present, and more connected to your inner world. 10. Beginning the descent. 9. Letting go of any outside noise. 8. Drifting inwards. 7. Your body knows the way. 6. Deeper still. 5. Mind softening. 4. Breath slow and steady. 3. Muscles unwinding. 2. Peaceful and safe. And 1. Arriving now in a place of deep calm, ready to begin the healing work. Now gently bring your attention to your pelvic floor, the base of your body, the foundation of your posture and your center of support. This is a place where you may have held tension for days, weeks, or even years, often without even realizing it. The pelvic floor is a sensitive and intelligent part of your body, responsive to emotions, stress, fear, and protection. It does not need to be forced to release. Instead, we offer it the one thing it truly needs: safety. Begin by imagining now a warm, golden light spreading gently across the base of your pelvis. from your pubic bone to your tailbone and between your sit bones. This light is soft and comforting, like the sun rising slowly through the mist. As it flows through the tissues and the muscles of your pelvic floor, it carries a message. You are safe now. You can let go. There is no need to rush this. As you breathe slowly and rhythmically, imagine that each exhale sends this warmth even deeper into the core of your body. Perhaps you visualize the pelvic floor as a flower, slowly unfurling its petals with each breath out. Or you may imagine the whole area as soft water, rippling gently with ease. No longer frozen, no longer clenched. Your body doesn't need to brace anymore. The survival response has done its job. But now, here in this moment, your system can begin to learn a new rhythm. One that is responsive, not reactive. One that allows the muscles to move fluidly, to rest when rest is needed, and to release when your body says yes. As you rest in this state, know that your nervous system is listening. The vagus nerve, which connects your brain to your organs, is quietly tuning in. Every slow breath out, every moment of stillness sends the signal, I am okay. I am safe. I am allowed to relax. And the pelvic floor, which once tensed to protect you, begins to receive this new information. There is nothing wrong with your body. It has been trying to help you. And now with this practice, you are helping it return to ease. In this softened space, allow yourself to connect with your inner strength. Not the strength of clenching or holding everything together, but the strength that comes from awareness, from choice, from trust in your body's wisdom. And so you can repeat silently to yourself, or imagine hearing these words as truth. My body knows how to soften and to release. I trust my body to find balance again. I am learning to feel safe in stillness. My pelvic floor knows how to let go. I no longer need to hold tension to feel safe. Softness is strength. Calm is power. As you listen to these words, allow each one and its meaning to sink deeply into your subconscious mind, planting new roots and gently overwriting old patterns. And now, in this calm space, let's take a moment to truly sense what release feels like. You may begin to notice a spreading warmth or gentle pulsing in the base of your pelvis, a quiet loosening, a subtle sense of dropping as the muscles and connective tissue in your pelvic floor begin to respond to safety. You may feel as if the very center of your body is exhaling. The gripping, the clenching, or guarding that may have been there for so long now starts to melt. Not through force, but through permission. Let your awareness drift gently across this area. The inner bowl of your pelvis, the deep muscles near the sacrum, around your hips, and around your lower belly. You don't need to name every part. Just stay with this felt sense of opening, like water softening clay or warm oil flowing through fibers once held too tight. Your body is remembering something ancient and wise. That tension is not your natural state. Softness is. And from this space of softening, you might begin to imagine how your body carries this new sense of ease into everyday moments. Not suddenly, but gradually and gently. You can begin to notice the moments where you feel more grounded, more connected. Your body responds differently. Your breath is calm and slow. Your pelvic floor is calm. You feel grounded and steady. You move with confidence, with calm awareness. You feel more present in your belly, your breath, your pelvis, more at home within yourself. These small shifts begin to ripple outwards into your digestion, your posture, your sleep, your sense of presence. You begin to feel like yourself again, whole, supported, and capable. Take a few more moments to rest in this calm space, letting your body absorb everything it needs to. And then when you're ready, gently start to bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Notice the weight of your body once more, supported and at ease. Take a deeper breath in now, and a long exhale out. And maybe stretch or sigh if your body wants to move. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, allowing the light to return. Welcome back. You can return to this place anytime. Your body is listening. Your pelvic floor is healing, and you are safe to soften. This is just one of the many powerful sessions inside the Calm Gut app, designed to support your gut and nervous system. If you're ready to take your healing further, start your free 7-day trial today. Just search the Calm Gut in your app store or click the link below to get started.